Today we are going to see about the interfaces versus implementation. First, what is interface? It is going to be a set of actions that object can do. For example, I am going to have a object, or I am going to have a values like this is my class and I am having a class name vehicle. On that I am declaring speed of. So here interface, we are having an interface name speed. So I'm just incrementing the values int I, just that's all, I plus plus. So we feel this is an interface means the speed operation will increase whenever it is called. So it is going to be called on the class. This interface is going to be called in the class. So description of all functions that class must have. Okay, what is the purpose of this interface? To enforce the properties of the classes, to enforce the properties of the classes. A class is a declaration, combines the external interfaces with an implementation of the interfaces. What is mean by that? I'm externally declaring the interface and I'm using that in a class. That is implementation of that interface. Okay, next we are having an object is an instance of a class. We know that definitely object is an instance of a class. Next, in that object is going to be visibility by the process of interface. Okay, the object is going to be visibility in the informations of in the process of interfaces. Now let us see what is implementation. I'm going to implement the interface using this object. Okay, that is implementation. So now see what is in implementation. It carries out the instructions defined in the interface. It carries out the instruction defined in the interface. Now let us see what is the difference between interface and the implementation. So today we see what is difference between interface and the implementation. So interface is an object. It doesn't do anything. Actually, it doesn't do anything. But implementation carries out the operation of the interfaces. Okay. Next we see characteristics. In this characteristics, a class have enable the object and it is operated properly. An object attributes and behaviors controlled by sending the functions to the object. Actually, we doesn't understand what we are trying to say. No problem, children. Actually, in this, I'm driving a car means I want to increase my speed. Then what can I do? I just increase my accelerator. In this, the class template is a speed. Okay, the accelerator is the interface. It is going to be the accelerator is going to be a interface between the driver and the engine. Okay, I'm just giving speed up, so engine goes to get speed and the required speed what we need, it will be returned over here, else it's pulled to the fuel. Okay, in this case speed is 70 means the speed, this is called as a interface. Okay, all of these actions are separated from the driver. Where fuel, air, pressure and electricity come together to create the power to move the vehicle. So in this, speed is a interface. The fuel, air, pressure, electricity all are called as implementations. Now we are giving a minimum 3 values to get the information, to get the minimum of 3 numbers. So let minim is a method name, 3 values x, y, z. I am checking first x and y. After that I am checking x and z. So what is my result now? X will be the greater or else z will be the greater. If else y and z I am checking means y will be the greater or else z only. So in this function the min is a interfaces for us, the method name, and it is going to implement it in some other classes alone. Clear? Yes, now we are going to move to the pure function. Your pure functions are the functions which will give exact result when the same arguments are passed. Okay, so pure functions, it is will give exact result when the same arguments are passed. Let us take the example of this. Let x square x return x into x. Okay, let me know how it works. So let square x return x into x. So here 5 is my x value, so 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, and my x value is 10, means x into x, 10 into 10, 100. The value what I am giving an input, I am getting a exact output. It doesn't affect or it does not give the some other value for the input what I had gave. Clear? So this is pure function. Okay, இப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா, எனக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ நான் இங்கே கொடுக்குறேனோ அந்த வேல்யூக்கு தான் எனக்கு இங்கே அவுட்புட் கிடைக்கும். இந்த வேல்யூக்கு வேறு ஒரு அவுட்புட் எனக்கு இங்கே கிடைக்குமானா கண்டிப்பாக கிடைக்காது. இதுதான் பியூர் ஃபங்க்ஷன். இட் டஸ் நாட் அஃபெக்ட்ஸ் தி அவுட்புட். ஓகே, இதில் இந்த ஸ்ட்ரிங் லென்த் அப்படின்னு ஒரு கான்செப்ட் இருக்குது. இந்த ஸ்ட்ரிங் லென்த்தில் ஏன் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரிங் லென்த்தை வந்து நம்ம வந்து இதாக சொல்கிறோம் அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கலாம். லெட் அஸ் see how. Let I is equal to 0. If I string length yes, then I do something which does not affect yes, I plus plus I. In this equation, I am going to have an example for it. Okay, in this x I am having, for that x I am having a computer. So what is my number? 8. String length returns an integer value and it counts and return 8. Whenever it checks, the 8 value will be changed. When it takes I value as 0, the 8 value should not be changed. X value will be 8 always. So 0 is less than 8, I will be incremented. Once again, 1 is less than 8,